Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. Today I'd like to share with you the hymn Rejoice the Lord is King, words by Charles Wesley, and we're going to take the key of G, just a bit easier to sing for me, and these are the chords that you're going to need. The G chord, C, D, E minor, A minor. Let's play through the first verse once through, slowly. Let's play through the first verse once through slowly. We're going to use a very simple strumming pattern, just down, down, up, down. Rejoice, the Lord is King, your Lord and King adore. Mortals give thanks and sing and triumph evermore. Lift up your heart, lift up your voice, rejoice. Again I say, rejoice. Now grab your song sheets and let's play through all 4 verses once through. Rejoice, the Lord is King, your Lord and King adore. Mortals give thanks and sing and triumph evermore. Lift up your heart, lift up your voice, rejoice. Again I say, rejoice. Jesus the Savior reigns, the God of truth and love. When He has purged our stains, He took His seat above. Lift up your heart, lift up your voice, rejoice. Again I say, rejoice. His kingdom cannot fail, He rules all earth and hell. The keys of death and hell are to our Jesus give. Lift up your heart, lift up your voice, rejoice. Again I say, rejoice. Rejoice in glorious hope, Jesus the judge shall come and take His servants up to their eternal home. We soon shall hear archangel's voice, the trump of God shall sound, rejoice. That was Rejoice, the Lord is King. It's a beautiful hymn. I think the jumps between E minor and C are a little bit tricky. Does need a bit of practice. Sometimes I screw up too, but that's okay. Keep playing, keep singing, and hope this hymn can cheer you up a little bit. See you next time.